The look and feel of your emails sets the tone and vibe for your brand. That's why it's important to keep them on point and aligned across your online presence. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to work with styles in GoDaddy email marketing. The colors and fonts of your marketing emails are determined by the style editor. By default, your style will match the colors of the theme that you chose when you set up Website Builder. This ensures that there's a cohesive look across your online presence. However, if you want to change the style, say for a holiday or an upcoming special event, you can choose from a list of pre-made styles or create a custom one in the Styles editor. Let's jump in the tool so I can show you how to access and work with your email style. To the right of the Email Composer window is the Styles tab. The default style, My Website, is selected, but let's take a look under the hood and see what makes up an email style. To access the Styles editor, click the pencil icon. The Styles editor has 3 tabs: Main, Text, and Logo. The Main tab is the meat. Let's run through the settings. Name, well, that one's pretty obvious and really only important if you were to create your own custom style, so let's move on. A hex code is used for every color-related style setting. A hex code is a way of specifying a color using hexadecimal values. These codes are comprised of a hashtag followed by a combination of 6 numbers and/or letters. Hex codes don't make a lot of sense on their own, so let me give you some context. Our first setting, the background color, is the color surrounding your campaign on the outer margins. The foreground is the color inside your campaign, behind the text and image content. To change any color in the Styles editor, you can type or paste a valid hex code directly into the corresponding field, or click the colors on the right side of the field and select from the palette. As you select different options in the Style editor, color or text, your email will change in real time so you can preview the new looks. In addition to a hex code, the button setting offers shape options including flat, pill, and chunky. The border setting is deselected, but when turned on, it provides a thin border separating the foreground and background. And finally, here's the footer. The text tab is broken down by each type of text that can potentially be used in an email. Clicking on the name of the text type opens the editing window. The editing window allows you to change font color, size, and alignment for every text type with the exception of link text. For link text, you can only choose color. All the other settings are inherited from regular body text. The final tab in the Style editor is dedicated to your logo. When you upload a logo, you can specify its alignment per style as well as where it links to. When you're finished editing style settings, be sure to click Save. If you exit the Style editor without clicking Save, the style will revert to the last one saved. Now you know how to spice it up with styles. Just make sure you only switch it up on special occasions to keep your email style consistent. Thanks for watching.